Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you a super cool trick on Instagram that many of you have been asking about. We're going to learn how to post multiple photos on your Instagram story, all accompanied by just one song. So let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your Instagram app is up to date to the latest version. This will help ensure you have all the latest features we're going to use today. Now open up Instagram and swipe right or tap on your profile icon to start creating a new story. Once you're in the stories interface, you'll want to select the layout tool from the options on the left hand side of your screen. Here you can choose how many photos you want to include in a slide. For today's tutorial, I'll go with the 4 photo layout. Here you can see you can choose all these layouts. Now tap on the gallery icon at the bottom left of the screen to select photos from your camera roll. Once you've chosen your photos and they're loaded in the layout, tap the sticker icon. Click on Write. Here you can see the music icon. Now you can pick a song that you want to play over your story. You can either search for a specific song or browse through the categories to find the perfect track. After selecting your song, you can choose the exact part of the song that you want to play. And this is how you simply put multiple photos on Instagram with one song. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you'll have a lot of fun creating your own unique Instagram stories. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more useful tips and tricks.